So I've got a pair of these work and gardening gloves. These are sent to me by VGO. When you get these, if you can smell it, it comes with a hint of lavender on them. It's got a houndstooth pattern on the grip and the texture. You'll hear it. It's a very high grip, so you should be able to hold things like a gecko. Fabric on the back of the knuckles, so you can flex your fingers a little bit easier, while the palms and the fingertips have got the TPE coating. This is waterproof and anti-slip on the palm side. You can see here there's a bit of a knit on the back side. The inside, which is a bit of fabric, so you're not going to be fully sweating. Fabric on the back of the hand. So I got a large size. It's a nice good form fitting. I don't feel cramped, I don't feel too loose. My thumb webbing is just about right at that line, and the fingertips go all the way to the edge. So that's what the fit is on a large size for a 4-inch wide handspan. So look how much I can flex. It's very easy to do so. And the thing about this texture grip is that it's not something that's good for your phone because you can't swipe. Grips on really well. And if you're looking to use the swipe function on your phone, that's not happening. Now, one of the things about this gecko grip, grab well onto pieces of metal or glass, especially when wet. I've got an old glass bottle here, just dunk it in. Yeah, look at that. It's 2 fingers, I'm holding it pretty well. It's a nice good grip, it's holding on. You can see the beading on the glove. It is. I've got the bottle in my hand. Less grip on it. It still adheres still pretty well. I'm not using that much pressure between the fingertips.